You know, one of the things that is so important is having no fear, because often it always goes back to the days of being at school. If you grow up, kids have no fear. As soon as you get to a certain point in your life, somebody says, no, you're doing that all wrong. That's not the way it should be. So you start to say, oh, what I'm doing is wrong. You kind of echo it. So it's really important sometimes to be aware that, you know, it's not a good idea. It's try to think like a child a little bit. It's fairly damp, and I pull. You've got to be confident to pull the brush, push with a brush, like push it.
Oh, to make waves.
And well, there's no sharp definitive line there. So at this point, you deepen that part that pops everything through.
Yeah.
So that's what's happening. So this is why we do things different. And if you want a suggestion of the wave coming through in here, you know, you can leave a little bit of the underwash, and that's like really important. When you know, we've got tissues.
Oh yeah.
We have tissues. That's if something doesn't go right, and we can share a tear here.
Or two.
Yeah. So always important. So these little pieces, it's not the parts you paint, it's often the parts you leave. And there's no distinctive, sharp, definitive line on the horizon. I didn't want that. I wanted that to go away soft. You see, it's that's why you do it this way. Then you say, well, I've got this may be a little bluer, not so strong. Do that. Let a little bit of this colour mix on the paper. That can come up a little bit more there. And let that colour bleed, the blue. You could, I suppose, you could use that part in here, and there, and this part in here. And got some nice pieces happening. Internal bit, didn't use all the white there, but get a little. But it's the silhouette of the boats that was for me important, you know, for the subject. There's a few darker tones of boats in the background. And shapes in here. And I'm going back into those deeper red colours, just the accentuated colours in here, just to sort of pull a little bit of that shape out. And some shapes in here. And all of a sudden, I'm using more accentuated shapes. So it's dry brush, working more with dry brush now to get texture. Like I've got a brush called a dagger brush here, which is a very lovely brush. I love using it. I didn't design it so much as tried them. But I said they'd only just come out, and I said, look, I put my name on those because they're the best things I've had, you know. And I've been looking for good ones for a long while, and it's really good. But like in here, in terms of shapes in here now, I'm looking at like the wires, all those pieces that come across there. I'm looking at these parts. I'm looking at the features of shape in here. There's lots. So it's fast now. Still a little bit damp there. I mean, sometimes it's good for the salt air will dry slower. You know, so if you're out and painting, you can probably sometimes paint, you know, and the paint stays wet for longer.